Page 12, Pistachio Polka. A polka is a type of dance. You can Google what a polka is and have fun with it. Just a lively, fun, happy dance. Let's look this over. It's 1 page long, treble bass clef. We have 4 flats in the key signature. I'm guessing we're going to be doing some key signatures with flats in them for a while. 4 flats is in the key of A flat major or F minor. Could be either one. So now it's time to go do those scales. If you don't know them, just 1 octave. Don't push it. It's 1 octave for the scale and the arpeggio. Just learn the notes in the scale and the fingering for it. That's all we're after. Because when I look at a piece like this with 4 flats, I don't worry about, okay, which notes are flatted? No. I know the scale, and I can play the scale. It's just habit. I just play the notes in the scale, and I automatically play the right black keys. It works really well. I know describing it, it doesn't sound like, whoa, what are you talking about? But it really does work. Learn the scale. And then when you get these key signatures, it's no big deal. 2/4 time signature, and we have a lot of 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. Let's just take it slow. Right hand, we're starting here. 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and. If you don't want to go 1 E and a 2 E and a all the time, and I don't, just go 1 and 2 and know there's 2 16th notes in there. 1 and 2 and. And we got the repeated notes. I don't like doing this on repeated notes, especially when it's happy and this picks up a bit. I don't want to use the same finger. It's easier at first, but it's in the long run, you're better off if you can learn to use different fingers on these. You stay relaxed more. If I use the same finger, I tend to tense up. So what I'm going to do on these, starting at measure 5, I'm going to do a 3, 2, 1 on all of these. Can you do that? Go slow and do it with both hands. Just practice any key. Just learn to do this 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. You stay relaxed and go slow. And this is what I'm going to do here. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. And I'm in position. That's okay. Measure 12, it's here. 4. This way we're in position for measure 13. And then this is not a chromatic passage now in measure 15. It's just here. And I don't like using the thumb this much. So I'm going to go here, here. I'm going to go 4, 1, 1, and then 3, 4. That's because I need third finger here. If I don't want to be third finger here and come down again, that's what they're saying. No, I don't want to do that. So it's here, third finger on the G, 4, and then I come down. It's a triplet. 1 and 2. Left hand's broken chords. Put the hands together. Just slowly, it's here, here, and then here, and here. Pretty straightforward. This rhythm is not like ragtime. This is pretty close to just 1, 2. You get notes on the beats pretty much all the time. So put the notes together, put the hands together. I'll go over just a measure or 2 at a time, get rid of the hesitations. And once the hesitations are gone, then I'll think about the articulation. This is staccatos and flexing of the wrists short. Don't come way up, because then you lose your place. Just come up a little bit. Measure 7 and 8 here. No, connect all these 16th notes together. Here. There. All the way to measure 9. Here. Connect all that together. The left hand is staccato. So I add the articulation, and then I'll add the dynamics, and this applies to the melody, which is the right hand, sort of soft. This, very soft. Second line, you go up a little bit to sort of loud. Here. And then in measure 9, you back down like you were at the beginning, and then the last line is sort of loud again. And then you go up to loud. Keep the left hand out of the way. Then the speed, and this is where you can, it doesn't really say a speed. Polka is not a speed. It's a move. Play it like a pump. Think of people dancing. You have to go that fast. You take it at your speed. This is, that kind of drags it for polka, but you don't have to go super fast. No, I don't recommend going that fast. Just take it at your speed. Find the hardest part in it. This part. That part, whatever you can play that quickly, that's your fast.